Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Porsche Stratum in Stratham, New Hampshire, we're reviewing a certified pre-owned 2015 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. My battery's running a bit low, so it's going to be a nice and quick video just in case the battery dies. Gillian's here with me again.
Welcome back.
All right. So I'll say right now in the video, if it cuts out halfway through, I'm sorry, battery went dead. I don't anticipate that happening, but you never know. Sensational. I apologize. I think I might have tapped the limiter there. I'm sorry.
Oh, no, you're okay.
I didn't realize how quickly that Grand Cherokee was approaching.
That's alright. Porsche's very forgiving.
It's not like somebody in the backseat's gonna slap the back of your head for that.
No.
So this is really, this gen is the last of the pure NA.
Correct, yeah.
I mean, unless you get into GT3 RS and stuff like that.
Yeah. For a regular Carrera 911, it's all turbos now.
Right. And this one does not have the sport exhaust, so this is the base exhaust. This is how it would sound if you didn't get the
Correct.
exhaust.
Still sounds pretty darn good.
Oh, it's a different sound because it's more intake than anything.
Correct. It's all intake.
Steering is unbelievably communicative. I think that's a word. Brake pedal feels phenomenal. People ask me all the time, you know, what's your favorite car that you've ever driven? Answer's gonna be Porsche. And I'm doing that at the speed limit. That's what's crazy. You don't have to be going a $120 to have fun in this thing. Not that I would do that with you in the car anyway. Or actually, I wouldn't do that with any dealership's car. If I owned one,
Definitely drive it on your Charger, right? Or your Challenger.
yeah.
Little to say.
To my parents watching the video, no, my Challenger's babied. Don't worry about it.